How to fix your operating system does not meet the system requirements to run the game GTA 5. So if you want to fix your operating system does not meet the system requirements to run the GTA game 5 enhanced, then what you need to do is you need to have an idea of minimum system requirements that you have on your game. So here, as you can see, that you will have minimum requirements like your OS, your operating system should be at least Windows 10 built with 1909 or above. The processor should be this much, and the memory should be at least 8 GB RAM, and the video card should be of NVIDIA GeForce GTX or Radeon also, and the storage space should be 105 GB. SSD is required. This is the minimum requirements, right? But the recommended is Windows 11, and the processor is Intel Core i5. The memory should be 16 GB dual channel, and video card should be NVIDIA GeForce GTX 3060 with 8 GB RAM, VRAM, and the storage space should be this much, and your sound card and audio, everything. This is for GTA 5 enhanced. If you want to go with GTA 5 legacy, then these are the minimum and recommended requirement, and these are all the other requirements. So you need to make sure that your system is supported with all of these minimum and recommended requirements, because if you don't have these requirements, then your operating system does not meet the system requirements to run the game. So that's the only problem that you're facing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.